Tsangyang Gyatso described, I often think on living Buddha. He never manifest. I don't think on lover. She always appear in my mind. His love songs resonate with ordinary people, but are also tips to practitioners. Cultivate awareness while in peace. Cultivate observation while in motion. You see Buddha instead of lover in the mind's eye. What is the difficulty to become a Buddha in this life? It also said in Bodhisattva Bhumi, while listening with concentration, good intention, and respect, thinking wholeheartedly about the meaning of the Dharma. Be focused. Don't let your mind run wild like a horse soaring across the sky with full of distracting thoughts. Nowadays, there are many confused music fans and internet fans. As practitioners, we should become enchanted Dharma fans in order to gain benefits from Dharma.